is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
We dey welcome una come this program wey we dey call Area Tori for Procyon radio and television. The program dey come una wey dey bring different better tori. And today I dey with Gloria Eno for studio.
People na good morning o, I greet una.
We dey greet una full. I hope say una full ground kakaraka. God go dey keep us, dey carry us, dey go. If na dey watch us for the very first time, abeg make una subscribe, like, make una also share our video. Make una no forget to drop una comments, and then make una always remember to share. God go bless una. Today tori wey we dey carry come na tori of one girl wey tell us say her mother reject her because she get belle. And today, because of that one, she and the mother, they no dey in good times. Gloria, the girl tell me this story say she want make we talk am so that other people go learn from wetin dey happen, other parents. Say her mother reject her, say she, according to her, don go make mistake. She enter where she no suppose enter, and true say she no even know who give am that belle. So but the problem wey dey there be say as she get the belle, the father dey very angry, come pursue her comot for house. And the mother also follow the father, say no, as long as she don bring disgrace to the family, say they no wan see her for the house. So one of her friend come collect her, put her for her own house. As she dey the friend house, e come reach like 7 to 8 months wey be say she dey with the friend. According to her, she say the friend dey take care of her well. So as people dey talk to the mother come say to make she lis ten to people voice, say since this girl go soon born, make she carry her come house. Na im the mother come call the girl, say to I don forgive you, dey come house. She talk to the father say her no dey, anything wey they wan do make dem do. So as the girl come back house, she say sometimes the mother, if she manage give her breakfast, that's all for the day, the mother go comot go. But the main thing wey make the girl come dey feel pain well be say the day wey she wan deliver, she no know, because na her first time. She no know say na labor be that sef. She come tell the mother say her belle dey pain her, and the way she dey feel, she no understand. The mother say okay. She come put lime inside water, give her, say since belle dey pain you, oya take this one drink. The mother come comot leave her. So when the time come near, come reach, say na so she just dey feel like make she go toilet. She don go toilet several times. So that last time when she come go toilet, now she come see something dey comot. She no understand. As she put hand like this check, now she see say this thing no be pikin. Na wetin be this? No be toilet dey come out so. Now she come put hand, na she see say na pikin. Na the pikin just comot. She just shout. Neighbor come hear. Na that neighbor come carry her from inside the toilet with the pikin. The pikin don already come out. Carry her with the pikin, clean them up, carry her, put her inside the room. Now she say you for dey feel this thing since now. She say when she tell her mother na lime she give her mother. So na that experience of that thing wey happen to her at that inside that toilet that time, she come dey feel say kai. So if her mother pass through this kind thing, her mother go allow her to dey like this. The mother no tell her anything. Na there na enmity start between she and her mother. You understand?
Okay.
So she come dey talk say no, nothing go ever make her dey in good terms with the mother. The mother come dey hate the girl come dey hate the mother. The two of them come dey hate each other. She and the father, they don reconcile, but she and the mother, she no wan gree. You understand?
Na something make her no do.
So she dey tell me say that environment wey she find her, say if the thing come her mind, she dey feel bad, say her mother na very wicked woman. Gloria.
My people, I greet you now. Good morning. Who go watch us in the afternoon? Good afternoon. Who go watch us in the evening? I say good evening. This matter where we bring come now. So na serious matter, na become matter of pikin and mother. The society wey we dey now na society wey go show love. You know say our children actually they no dey hear. Our children no dey hear. All of us know say our children no dey hear. Our people dey talk say if you beat pikin for this hand, you take the other hand draw am come near body. If you put pikin for water, you dey baff am inside basin, you no go throway pikin with the dirty water. You go remove the pikin, then you go throway the water. So na wetin the mother for do be that. This matter we wan talk am sharp sharp so that una go understand. The mother, I blame her well well. Pikin don do mistake, you don do mistake. She don realize say I do mistake, I wrong my parents, I wrong my mother. So person come help am. 8 months she come back house. Only that 1 month for show her love. You no show her love. For you to leave her for that particular day, when because she no go know say na labour, but you, the mother, you know say na labour she dey so because you don calculate the month. You for say, kai, if na today I wan comot, make I stay see this girl. What of if to say you go so, she die inside that house? That two things go be na 50-50. But God help that girl. Na pikin she bring out. How she go forgive you for that kind thing wey you do? You no do well like mother. You must show her small love that day. Even only that.
But no forget say mother na mother.
And you forget say mother too. Okay, mother na one o.
Mother na mother.
Mother na mother.
So the girl too, as I dey talk to her, I say make she forgive. There is nothing she can do. Her mother na her mother. Yes. She know say she use her hand take so bad thing. So na she. Na him dey blame still dey on top no matter what. Because her mother na her mother.
Her mother.
But wetin the mother do?
That is why I go to the mother first. I say you for show her that a minute love there.
Yes.
Make she knows. Make after you don show her that love finish, as you clean her, do her everything, you go sit her one day down. Say see you don pass through wetin I pass through. That pain wey make me dey talk to you. Now you don pass through the pain today. So the pikin down. Wetin me I fit tell you now. Forgive your mother. Mother na just one. You know that one we go call, you go say step go enter, no go be mother. So forgive am. It's for the sake of God, forgive your mother. As we take forgive your father, forgive her. She go realize as we dey talk so, she herself don hear us. We say she wrong. Make she come back to you, embrace you, forgive your mother. Because I know say as we dey finish this program, if she listen to us, she go come back, she go realize, okay, I wrong my pikin. Go and reconcile with your child. Draw her closer to yourself. Make love continue. Mother na one. Now wetin I get to tell them be that.
So wetin I still wan tell you be say, you know say your mother pass through pain. She never ever expect say her pikin go do that kind thing as a mother. So but e just be say if we as parents find ourselves inside this kind of situation, which we no pray say make it happen. No parents
go happy.
You know, if he see you for that kind of condition. No parents go anywhere. No matter how the parents be, even if the woman dey do bad thing, she no go want make her pikin do bad thing.
She do.
Yes. So no parents go agree for that kind of thing. Now, no good parents, good parents, may I put it that way.
No good parents
go agree, make that thing. So make you find place for your heart, make you take forgive your mother. Na pain, na make her act that way. If it be say she don't know the way when she go take act, now the best way wey she feel say she go fit act be that. So make you just forgive her, make una come together. And make I advise you to, if possible, you get something, buy something, go give her. Say, Mama, for everything, the way I hold you for my heart all these years, I beg.
Your way go open if you do that.
Yes, and you too, me too. Mama go tell you, say, me too, my
I don't forgive you, my baby. To embrace you, to take care of you and the baby.
To take care of you and the baby. So you no go throw away your mother, and Mama, you no go throw away your
pikin. Now your body.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Gloria. And with this, we want to say, if you get comment to drop for us for this particular Tori, make una help us drop the comment, I beg. Because the lady, she open up, say she no also like the situation where she did. She and her mother, they see other people with their own mother the way they do things. They her own, no be so. Hatred don't enter. We could also pray for her. I beg me una drop una comments for us so that she go see her. God go bless una because now she tell me this story say abeg she need advice. So make una help her make she fit get advice. Drop comments and God go bless una. We don come to the end of the program. Area Tori wey dey come to una from Procyon radio and television. She just give us her tori. If you get your own tori abeg give us make we know as people go take help you, advise you so that things go dey normal. We want make everything dey move well for our area. May God dey help us. Thank you, Gloria.
Thank
God
you
go
very
bless
much.
you. And I wan talk say make una dey shine like the star wey una be.
Baby, my salary, I want to marry. Oh,